Okay, what I have is a C4 Corvette, and what it was doing was this. I'd turn the key on, it would sometimes start, die, it would idle, fluctuate, idle. This idling, it wasn't idling at a consistent RPM. When accelerating from a dead stop, it would stumble and miss. And so I'd lift off the gas, reapply the gas. When cruising, it wouldn't run smooth. It'd kind of be jerky periodically. It was also lacking power, so I just knew it was this. I changed it before, probably 90,000 miles ago. So I thought, you know what, this has got to be it. With all the other work I've done, replaced the sock on the surfaces. I cleaned both the fuel tank and the sending unit surfaces. I reused the gasket because it wasn't torn. Simple to do, not a big deal, but this solved my problem. The car runs really good now. So there we go. Little $50 part from AutoZone. All right, worked for me.